I'm not going to do this in front of your kids, man, but you got to come with me. I'm not going to do it. If now you can put your hands behind your back. If you're going to pull away, then I'll do it in front of your kids. Okay, don't squeeze my hand.
What began as a reckless vehicle swerving into oncoming traffic on US Highway 1 near the 7 Mile Bridge quickly escalated. Deputies stopped the car and immediately detected a strong odor of alcohol. The driver, Scott Dizeroth, appeared confused and claimed to be an ICE agent, seemingly hoping the badge would end the encounter. It didn't. 2 young children were found inside the vehicle, visibly shaken.
He's clear?
Yes.
Sweet. Scott Dizeroth. Hello. Could you roll down the back windows for me too? Sorry, you got real dark tin. Hello. So Scott, where are you coming from?
Miami down here to Isla and then back.
So you're coming from Miami to Isla Mirada, and then you're going back to Miami?
Yeah, I live in Miami.
Okay. Well, do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
We got the overpass over here, 18-mile stretch, overseas highway.
Okay. Where did you do today? Where'd you go? Did you go fishing? Did you go
Come on, bro.
to a restaurant? Well, you're about 100 miles off of where you think you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Who's the guy in the white shirt?
That's the Colonel.
Colonel, don't mean shit to me. Okay, well. Look, I'm federal.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. I got my boys with me.
Who do you work for?
DHS.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. But if I called them, they'd verify that you're a
100%,
department.
bro.
Okay. You don't have any type of credentials or anything that say you're DHS?
Not on me, no.
Okay. All right.
I only bring my weapon with me if I'm.
Okay. But you don't have any weapons on you right now?
No, I don't.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to talk to you away from the kids. So I'm going to ask you to step out of the car, and we're going to walk back to the back of your car, okay?
Are you fucking serious right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
Boys.
It's okay. We're just going to walk back to the back of the truck, and we'll have a conversation, okay?
Yeah, well, you fuck.
Okay.
They're just doing their job. I don't want to come to it, but law enforcement, they're doing their job.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. So if you just walk like right over here?
Guys,
Come over here. Can you just come over here for me? Okay. So you said you're coming from Miami, going to Isla Mirada, and going back to Miami. What are you
Yes.
going to Isla Mirada for?
Guys, seriously, are we really
No
doing this
medical
right?
problems that are going to affect your ability to follow my finger?
Nope.
Okay, so again, what I'm going to have you do is just keep your head straight, and I'm just going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes, and I'm just going to go side to side, and then I'm going to go up and down, and I'm going to do a circle around your head,
Do it.
and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing before I do it, okay? I'm not going to touch you or anything, but again, I just want you to follow my finger with your eyes and don't move your head. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, if you can you just like make your head straight? You're kind of leaning your head to the side a little bit. There you go. So what I'm gonna do now is vertical, so I'm just gonna go up and down, okay? Ready? Same thing, just follow with your eyes, don't move your head. Ready? Okay, and now I'm gonna do just 2 small circles around your head. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna go like this around your head, and I'm gonna bring it in between your eyes to your nose, but I'm not gonna touch you, okay? So don't flinch or anything. I'm not gonna touch you, okay? All right, ready? All right, one more time. Ready? Okay, so this time, try to just look at my finger. Don't anticipate where it's gonna go, okay? You're kind of looking ahead of my finger. Just try to follow it, okay? I'll go a little bit slower. Just look at my finger. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna have you do is the walk and turn. We'll probably do it right here. I don't know how easy this would be for you to do in flip-flops, or if it'd be easier in your...
Lane, I just want to get my kids home.
I got you, man.
Come on, dude.
I'll tell you a true story. I went through the same thing 2 years ago.
You divorced?
No.
I am.
This.
I'm going through a divorce right now.
Look, man, you drank too much to drive a car.
No, I haven't.
You did. Okay?
Let me get my kids home.
You can't drive a car right now, man. Based on what I'm seeing so far, unless, if you do good on this, maybe I'm wrong. Okay? That's why we're doing these, so that you can dispel my belief that you're impaired. Okay? Because right now, when I'm seeing the stumbling and stuff, I want to see if you can do this
Stumbling,
stuff.
I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting right here.
Well, no, when you walked out of the truck at first, you kind of... It looked like it. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, but that's
At
what
this point,
stuff is for,
deputies
so that we
asked
can
the
dispel
driver
that
to
belief
step
that
out of
I
the vehicle
have
and
that
begin
you're
a series
impaired.
of field sobriety tests to assess
Okay.
whether he is impaired.
So the next thing we'll do is the one leg, or the walk and turn. Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do is just put your left. A little bit forward, just so you're not next to the truck. There you go. And now you're going to put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Perfect. All right. And if you can, put your arms back down by your side. Or you can try to stand there just in case. All right. So again, just put your right foot back in front, and then your arms straight down by your side. There you go. Now just stay like that. If you have to put your hand up, just put it right back down. Okay. Okay, so just stay like that. Don't do anything else until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, so if you can, just try to get back into that position.
Well, I want to know the directions.
Well, that part of the directions is that you're supposed to be standing like that while I give the directions. That's okay. All right. So the position that you're supposed to be in right now is like this. Left foot on the line, right foot in front, touching heel to toe. What I'm going to have you do in just a second is I'm going to have you take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. I'm going to have you touch every time, heel to toe, heel to toe. So, heel to toe, heel to toe. You're going to keep your feet on the line, okay? If you stop walking or if you step off the line for any reason, I want you to just put your foot back on the line and keep walking. And I want you to count your steps out loud. Do you understand so far?
At this point,
So
deputies
again,
take time
just
to
to
explain the
recap where we're at
situation
right now,
clearly,
your left foot is on
making
the
sure
line with
both the
your right foot
driver
front,
and a family
your arms
member
straight down by
understand
your
what's
side.
going on.
You're gonna take
They
9
outline the
heel-to-toe steps.
concerns,
1, 2,
the investigation
3,
so far, and the
4,
next
5,
steps
6, 7,
before
8,
moving
9.
forward.
Didn't say a word. It's all right. You're like my I have a little one. She doesn't talk at all. So it's all right. I was the same way as you when I was a kid.
It's funny. Inside, boys. Get buckled. So I'm trying to gauge, like, what happens.
What happens? So just to kind of, so this is a different district's arrest. So I wasn't involved with it.
Yeah.
But obviously he's going to get charged with, just from the outside looking at all, the DUI, probably like child neglect. a couple different crimes. He's going to have to go see a judge in the morning, and then
Be there overnight. So
he'll be there overnight because so it's a different district. But if I'm the supervisor for Marathon, if it was my shift, he'd get me in charge with the child neglect, which is a felony.
They told me misdemeanor. They told me he's getting charged with a misdemeanor.
I don't know. Again, it's not my district, and it's not my
I
arrest.
just wonder if they're being lenient because.
And it's a DUI. You have to see a judge. So either way, he's going to be there till morning.
Because I'm fighting for them, and because I'm divorcing him.
You guys are going through. Okay,
And
I understand.
I'm basically.
Hey, you can't drive. He's trying to open the door.
You're gonna get me arrested. Go in the back. You don't want me arrested.
Yeah, then you're stuck with me, and you guys got to hang out with me the rest of the day.
Be proper manners.
So apparently, they thought they were heading back home. They were going in the wrong direction. So
This is what I needed, honestly, because I have been fighting for their safety, and I feel like no one gives a shit because it's a silent coercive control kind of relationship.
obviously, he's abusing alcohol too.
He's abusing alcohol. He's actually on. I found a prescription that I did not know about.
Okay.
That has to do with like mental health.
Gotcha.
And he denies.
Well, I'm just glad luckily the officer stopped him.
so
Somebody called him in as a reckless. So somebody called him in as a reckless. He gets pulled over. They do their DUI investigation. Obviously, he goes to jail. Thank God somebody did because they said he was not able to control his vehicle.
Made that way. I hope they're.
Well, did you get the case number?
No, and the guy was
Let me get your ID so I say who I handed the kids over to,
Because the guy-
and I'll give you the case number.
The gentleman that I spoke to, I was asking because I want a copy of the recording,
Yeah, well, you have to do that through records.
which I'll do that. That's fine.
Yeah.
But I need obviously if I have the case number, it makes it easier to request it.
Yeah. Let me get you the case number real quick.
You may begin. Okay, awesome. So for the next one, the one leg stand, we can come over here just so we're not in the road anymore. Scott, can you walk over to me, please? Okay. All right, Scott, I need you to come back here with me, please. I'm not going to do this in front of your kids, man, but you got to come with me. Come on. I'm not going to do it. Now you can put your hands behind your back. If you're going to pull away, then I'll do it in front of your kids. Okay, don't squeeze my hand. Let go.
I'm not doing shit. Guys, I am law enforcement.
Okay. I was gonna do this away from your kids, man, but if you're gonna pull away from me, then I'll do it in front of
I'm
them.
not pulling away. I'm not fucking moving.
Just relax, man.
You're fucking kidding me right now. Thanks, Ed.
Copy a welfare check 6810 Front Street.
You have anything in your pocket gonna put mistake me, anything like that?
Nope.
been passed out a few times. Has previously passed out at the playground. It's going to be a reference to a white female with tattoos.
Well, sir, I'm doing my job
The
today.
RT advised if Elio parks near Hogfish, he can lead you guys to her.
Try to keep your hands turned the way that I have this one. Your left hand right now? Okay. Try to get this. Okay. See? Go back and go on the left side.
Guys, Lane, why are you doing it?
It's clear to the right.
Yeah.
You can go to my hood.
God damn it.
Why are you doing it? What about my kids?
We're gonna have to figure that out next.
Damn it, Lane.
Do you have any shield back there?
Guys, please, I am going through a divorce. Don't do this to me.
Scott, are you able to fit in there?
Lane. Look, man. We wear the same shit. Lane, just talk to me for a minute, alright?
I guess you, man, but I really need you to go
I
to the back
get
of the
it.
car, please.
I get it. Please don't do this to me, man. Go through a fucking divorce because Lane, come on, man. This is gonna fuck me, dude. Please don't do this to me.
I got arrested for DUI 2 years ago.
Lane, I get it. But do you have kids?
Own up to your mistakes, man. You're a grown adult. I cried my ass off too. Own up to it. You're gonna sit in jail tonight. It's gonna suck.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're gonna
Lane!
It's gonna suck, man. It sucked for me. It's gonna suck for you too. It is what it is. Be a man. Suck it up. That's what everyone tells us. I know. I get it. Whatever. If you're a cop, whatever.
Yeah, I'm a fucking law enforcement,
Okay,
dude.
then stop talking and sit in the back of the car and stop. Stop this.
Let's go.
Stop this.
What about my kids?
We're gonna take care of it.
No,
But
I'm
first
not
I need-
going in there. Let me talk to your supervisor.
Again, you can talk to him in a second.
Nope. Not going in there without my supervisor.
Okay, let's go to the other side. Come here. Come on, man. Don't pull against me. Let's go over
I'm
here.
not moving, bro. Don't fucking do this.
Let's go.
Lane.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Hey, come on, buddy. We're not doing this. Come on. Let's go.
So you guys are fucking shut.
Come on. Put your feet in.
Stand up.
Stand up. Come on.
Stand up. Put your feet in, man.
No.
Man,
Put
don't
your
be a
feet in.
kid. Come on.
Stop.
Where are my kids?
Stand up. Put your feet in.
What?
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
You don't want to make this worse already.
Come on. Come on, man. Let's go.
You gotta sit in the car,
You're
man.
going to jail for DUI, which is a misdemeanor. If you don't cooperate, you go to jail for resisting. It only makes it worse.
Come on. Put your feet in, buddy.
All right, your kids will be fine. This will pass.
Listen to me.
No, sir, not on the side of the road.
Come on. Let's go, man.
We gotta sit down, Scott.
God damn you guys.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Lane, you really fucked me, man.
I didn't fuck you, man. I'm not the
Yeah.
one that drank today and drove.
Two.
Get this deal.
No, I'm not the arresting officer, but that's my name,
Okay.
and then that's the case number.
Okay.
It's going to be a District 1 call, but if you give them records that case number, they'll be able to find it, and
Okay.
you can get a copy of it.
Thank you.
So here's your ID back.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yep. I appreciate you
No
driving
problem.
them up.
Yeah, no problem. I got to head this way anyway, so
right, good.
that's why I volunteered for it.
Awesome.
No problem.
Have a good night.
You too.